guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki. Today I'm going to be doing this soft, curly, bouncy perm rod set. So to see how I got this awesome style today, then go ahead and keep watching.
Worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide.
So starting out, I'm going to be using this mousse. It says TGIN, but it's a mixture of different mousses that I just put together. I'm going to start out on this crazy blown out hair. Who is this? I don't even know. Where did all this come from? But anyways, I'm going to be using actually the orange perm rods and my sectioner clamps there. So I'm going to split my hair down the middle, of course. I like to start with 2 sections and then take my sections from there. I am not a perm rod person. I hardly ever do perm rods. They snag my hair a lot, so it takes a lot for me to just, do them. But today I decided I'd give it a shot. This first one was a little wonky, but you got to work with what you got. So I think as I continue to go along, I kind of catch the flow. So I'm just going to take these big chunks. I'm not going to do too small of a section today. So yeah, just part my middle in each section and do 2 sections in one there, adding my mousse as I go along and brushing it through my hair. And the technique I've seen people use with the perm rods is to roll, twist, roll, twist. So that's what I'm going to try to keep doing throughout this process. So you'll see me just go ahead and go along there. So I'm going to speed on through this and catch you at the end.
Nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. At me like I know what he's thinking.
dryer for about 45 minutes. All right, all dry. Here we are. We're gonna speed through the sectioning part too. So I just used some Moroccan oil and I just took that in my hands. Now I'm separating each curl and they came out popping. I love the shine, the bounce, just the overall look of it. The one side did go a little flat because my hair was still a little damp when I got from under the dryer, so when I took the curlers out I just went back under without them for another 15-20 minutes. But the moisture did get to that one side, so it's not as curly as I would like, but it still looks pretty good. We just gonna work with it as I say. So yeah, I'm gonna keep sectioning out all these curls and I'm going to pick it out a little bit. Not too much, I don't need too much volume. Of course we had some edge control because you know you gotta control those edges. So just picking it out, yes. Loving the shine. And voila, bouncy, soft, shiny, flowy curls. I didn't use anything except for some blowout cream and the mousse, and I really love how this style turned out. It's my best perm rod set I've done in quite a long time. My hair was a lot shorter the last time I did a perm rod set, so I didn't really like the vibe it was giving, but this is, I love it. I just love it. As I say here, I love it. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Love you and see you in my next video. Bye.
Maybe he ain't worth it.